Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking exactly what you need. You must update the TV OS and the video app. You do this because outdated software commonly hides subtitle controls. Once done, open the playback app and enable closed captions or subtitles in the player menu. Make sure the language matches your file. If using external files, place the SRT with identical file name on the same USB or server. You'll now be ready to move into subtitle source and format checks. Now focus on the how and why of subtitle delivery. You must confirm the subtitle file's encoding, UTF-8, because wrong encoding produces blank or garbled captions. Then check that the subtitle file name exactly matches the video file name so the player auto-loads it. If it doesn't, use the app's manual load option. Also evaluate different players, native player, VLC, or Plex, because some support more containers and font rendering. Once you verify these, proceed to subtitle styling and firmware toggles. Finish by setting subtitle style and timing to ensure visibility. Adjust font size, color, and background for contrast, because poor styling can make subtitles invisible. After saving, reboot the TV and clear the app cache to force a fresh load. Reinstall the app if needed. If captions still fail, try converting the subtitle file to SRT or use a different app or TV to isolate hardware versus file problems. A single useful troubleshooting tip. Test the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.